Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the glorious GMMK Tenkeyless mechanical keyboard. So what's the deal with mechanical keyboards? Most keyboards people use are membrane keyboards in which pressing a key flexes a membrane layer to create a key press. And instead, mechanical keyboards use mechanical switches, and these range in feel from completely smooth to loud and clicky. This glorious keyboard caught my eye as it not only looks really cool, but it's fully modular. GMMK stands for Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard, and this means you can swap out the switches whenever you want without soldering. So, let's get on with the unboxing. The box itself has got a shiny reflective surface, which is a nice quality touch. And if we pop it open, it's nice and tidy inside too, and well packaged, which should protect it in transit. And here's the board itself. It's got a really solid weight and feel to it, and it looks really good. You can see the stabilizers for the larger keys, which are really easy to attach and detach compared with some other boards, which can use small metal bars to hold the keys in place. I much prefer the ones that this board has. So the switches plug straight into these slots, and they click in with just a little pressure. It's got a matte black surface except for the beveled metal edge, which being metallic really catches the light. And it's got this detachable USB-C port, which is great for moving the keyboard between different machines without having to take the cable with you. On the underside, we can see it's got fold-out feet and a provided key puller, which really isn't easy to remove. So what else have we got in the box? We've got some random pieces of paper which are how-to guides and manufacturer guarantees, I guess. Normal kind of stuff. The switch guide though is handy for newbies like me because it tells you exactly how to put in the switches and the keys. So then underneath this cardboard part are the rest of the accessories. Here you'll find the nice braided USB-C cable, and it's quite a reasonable quality from the look of it. They also give you a metal switch puller, but you've got to be careful with this as you can really easily scratch the board if you don't take your time. They also give you some replacement rubber feet, which is handy if you're expecting to use the board for a long time. And finally you get a couple of custom keycaps, Glorious's signature Ascend Escape key and their logo version of what I assume is the Windows key. Now this key lets light through, but unfortunately the Ascend key does not. Now it's time to put it together. I'm using Gateron brown switches and pudding keycaps to let plenty of the RGB lighting through. Let's see how this looks.
Warp drive, Mr. Scott.
This is really cool. I love all the lighting effects there are to play with, and it feels really nice to type on. All in all, I'm really happy with it, and if Tenkeyless isn't for you, they make compact and full-size boards too. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.